The latest there coming is with regards to the Hoshiarpur rape and murder case. A massive outrage erupted over the Hoshiarpur rape. The accused was attacked by a group of Dalit people. The visuals on your screens there show a mob raising slogans while they surround the rape accused. In fact, the police gathered trying to protect the accused from the angry mob. The accused had been rushed to the hospital now. Let me go across to my colleague Mohit, who's joining me on the phone line, getting us further updates on this. Mohit, what more details can you share with us? We're looking at dramatic developments that are taking place where the accused in the horrifying Hoshiarpur rape and murder case was in fact attacked by a group of Dalit people. Take us through the details right now.
Well, yes, this happened yesterday. We know for a fact that how a 6-year-old girl was brutally raped and then burnt alive, and after that she lost her life. And the two accused have been arrested in this case, one being the prime accused and another being the grandfather of the accused who helped him in putting the fire on the body of the girl. Now, these people were taken to a local hospital by the police for their medical examination, which is as per the procedure. Now, there the mob gathered and they attacked these two individuals, and the mob demanded that the handover of the accused should be done, and Gurpreet Singh and his grandfather Surjit Singh should be handed over to the mob so that they could punish them with their own hands. And these are the visuals which we are playing on our screen, that how they were brutally attacked by this mob. The mob was very angry and they wanted that these people should be given strict set of punishment and they should be handed over to all the crowd over there. We know for a fact that how the Chief Minister Amrinder Singh has also taken the cognizance of the matter, and he has also directed the Director General of Police of Punjab and saying that there should be a speedy and fair trial in this particular case. So clearly we see the people over there are very angry because of the heinous crime that has happened. The girl was raped and then she was burnt alive, and these two accused have been arrested by the police.
Absolutely.
And when they went to the hospital, the crowd over there attacked them.
All right, Mohit, request you to stay with us at this point. Politics has also been now peaking with regards to the Hoshiarpur rape case. The BJP has, in fact, mounted a scathing attack against the Congress over the rape and murder of a 6-year-old daughter of a Bihari migrant in Hoshiarpur in Punjab. In the latest, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, in fact, targeted Rahul Gandhi for not meeting the family of the 6-year-old Bihari child whose half-burnt body was later discovered by the police on Wednesday evening. She, in fact, questioned as to why Rahul and Priyanka were not organizing quote-unquote picnic over the Hoshiarpur as they did in the Hathras incident. The BJP leader and union minister, in fact, also went on to say that selective outrage does not suit Congress. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, meanwhile, on Friday, directed the cops to ensure proper investigation into this entire case.
The selective cry of outrage that the Congress party wants to show when it is elsewhere but not in their respective governed states is completely exposed. And so is the question for even Tejashwi Yadav, who's contesting in a very forceful manner.
Let me once again go back to my colleague Mohit for further updates on this. Mohit, while an investigation is currently underway, we're looking at the politics, which is already peaking, and this time it is the BJP which has mounted a scathing attack against both Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi, asking why is there selective outrage? If they'd visited Hathras, why not even visit the family members of the Hoshiarpur victim?
Yes, and an official press conference was addressed by the BJP over here in Delhi, and none other than the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman addressed that particular press conference. Now, Nirmala Sitharaman questioned the selective outrage of Gandhis and said, why is the brother-sister pair not going and voicing horror in Hoshiarpur? Why not in Rajasthan? There is a selective cry of outrage that Congress wants to show. Now, she also stated that why Rahul Gandhi is not going for a picnic in Hoshiarpur or in Rajasthan, clearly terming the visit of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to Hathras as picnic. But this is a fact that as of now, we haven't heard from the Congress party over this particular incident because the BJP also says that they went to Hathras because there was a BJP government over there. But Rahul Gandhi and the top leadership of the Congress party is not saying anything on this because there is Captain Amrinder Singh's government in Punjab, which is from the Congress party. So that is where the BJP is hitting out at the Congress party, saying that they are selective in their outrage. Now, Nirmala Sitharaman also goes on to attack Tejaswi Yadav, saying that this girl's family was from Bihar, migrant. Her father was a migrant laborer who used to live in Hoshiarpur. Then why Tejaswi Yadav is not speaking on this, and also why Tejaswi Yadav is not asking questions from the Congress party. So in a subtle way, this has been made a poll issue in Bihar also by the BJP. And in the morning also we saw Union Minister Prakash Javadekar attacking the Congress party, and then we had
All right.
a special press conference by the Nirmala Sitharaman. But the question over here is, will the girl get justice, or will we only see politics over this issue?
All right. All right. Mohit, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there.